relacionamento sem crush nesse
And this one don't have light. It's not real glass. It's like plastic only. And this one is so cool. This one is so cool a bit. This mirror is so small, like it's cute. And look at the behind of them. They don't have a plate number. Wait a minute. So you can move the brakes, and you can move it. This one you cannot move this, but you can still move the brakes like this. It moves a bit. And let's go test this. It doesn't work a bit. So this. Oh, it went to the pillow. So do you like my toy motor collection? But there are only two, but the one is gold and the one is yellow, big bike. And maybe this is Yamaha or Kawasaki, bro. This is a SWAT bike. This one is a SWAT bike. And this one is a normal police bike, but big bike and yellow. It doesn't have like. So this is. So I see. This is a police here, right? You see there? And this one is a SWAT. Did you see that? And this one. And this one. And the mirror is so cool. So maybe the video almost ends. So maybe I'll say bye-bye soon. This is my last. I'm almost finished video. So bye-bye guys.